Pwede.
Wow. Ay, ikaw na lang lugod mag-video pa.
No.
Pag nalubat ang cellphone mo,
Ah, iya.
sa kuya niya.
Ayan, sige. Nalang di sabay-sabay. Ay, parang maiwan.
Maiiwan yun dito.
Kasi may hagdan. Okay. Okay, let's go. Ay, may hagdan. Yeah, we can use their...
You can just park your strollers there if you wish on
Okay.
the right side.
Yeah, sure. Thanks. Yeah, that's it. Kahit saan. Uy, wow!
Let's go
Yeah,
down.
you can go down with the stroller.
You can go. We can go down. Si Bibi.
Ako na lang. Oh, get my phone.
Si Bibi maiwan? Ay, si Bibi maiwan.
Yana, let's go. Yana. Yana, which one?
Dito tayo magsimula.
Which one do we count? Mom, those were the clocks that I saw.
Saan? Oh.
These ones.
This is... Nung unang panahon, kuya, kung sino ang meron na nito, sila ang mayaman. Tama ba?
Mom, why does that look like the
This is an
Philippines
evolution.
flag?
So from
We're all left.
beginner.
To...
What did you say?
Wait. No, it's not.
Look, it is every year.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay, de ikaw na. Achoo! Bless you, anak.
Look, it's an old tire. That's very old.
Oh, it's very, very old.
And look, there's no
Good morning.
Hi.
This one you can get in. Would you like to come in and drive?
Oh, go, go, go.
You can step here and go up.
Go up daw.
Turns driving.
Oh,
Sorry, I was saying no. Yeah, if you're one side.
wow. Picture na ba? Boy, picture na, boy. Kabidyo ako eh. Picture, dito kay kuya. Daiman yan gagalaw. Okay na, Marina. Baba na. Uy, Jansel. Jansel, go down na. Tama na. Ito ang gasolina ini. Please do not touch pala.
Uy, taho.
the old car that used to drive back.
Wow, this one is a pink one.
You want it?
Wow, it's so cute. Look at the camper. It's a camper.
Do not touch it. It says do not
It's so cute. Look. So cute. there's a bed.
Where?
There.
There's a bed. A real bed.
There's a bed. Nagdigdig ka mo para magkawat ka yan. Oy. Si Yana. Yana, you want to color, baby? What's that? That's for Johan. And you then. Hi! Hi, kuya! Ay, bakit? Pwede pala balik tayo. Nag-atras mo talaga ako, walang hiya. Ano yun? Paano magpaano sa dit?
Ano kasi pag ganyan mo siya, yung ano niya pag sa tiit niya, limited pa.
Ah, kini. Araw ka ini pa?
I can see everyone.
Dahil pag anyan pag sa harap, yung limited lang yung ano.
Dahil na maaraw ka?
Diba pag doon binibidyo, pwede malayo, pwede patras.
Nag-atras ba? Pwede man. Hello. Hi, ate.
Hello. You don't have to. 0.
Tingnan mo nga kung anong oras ang departure can train. Para.
What is it?
It says. Is this true? Malay ko ba kung fake?
Ma, I think my back is gonna catch on fire because my back was on the sun the whole time.
Wait lang, I'm gonna go here.
How big is this balcony, Mama?
Wow.
How big is this balcony? This is on the other side. Can I go inside? The whole entire balcony.
Oh! It's a train. Alis na, dahil na ka mo maabot. Oh gosh. So clean. So clean.
Ma, I think we need this house.
Oh my god, this is a big house.
I think we need this. Just for you to so you guys can just scroll everywhere. Mama. Look, there's another room. Ma, you guys can scroll everywhere now.
Oh, this is a closet. It's a big one.
But it's
It's a big closet, look.
But you can't. Are we allowed to go upstairs? Yeah. Where can we go upstairs?
Wait lang.
What is that?
No entry.
It's bathroom.
Okay, go. Slowly, slowly.
Why is this stuff so big? What is this?
Slowly, I said.
Where's everything?
Oh, it's a big one.
Look, everyone, meet the roof. Meet the roof. Ma, you can see the roof now.
What roof?
The roof.
Oh, yeah.
Ma, even there's an exit.
Downstairs and see what we can see.
Look, it's a bed.
There's a dress.
She told us as we go through the village, we'll go further and further back in time what it was like.